Mastering English phrases. Give us more, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, give us more. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English language learners, so let's break it down together and understand its various uses and nuances. Give us more is a request or demand for additional quantity or information. It's often used in situations where someone is asking for extra resources, details, or effort. The phrase can vary slightly in tone, from polite to more assertive, depending on the context and how it's said. In everyday conversation, in casual settings, give us more can be a friendly request. For example, if you're enjoying a meal at a friend's house, you might say, "This is delicious. Can you give us more?" Here, it's a polite way of asking for seconds. In professional settings, in a work environment, this phrase might be used to ask for additional details or clarification. For instance, during a presentation, someone might say, "That's an interesting point. Can you give us more information on that?" It's a way of requesting further explanation or depth on a subject. The tone in which "give us more" is expressed can greatly change its meaning. A demanding tone can make it sound like a command, while a gentle tone makes it a polite request. It's important to be aware of your tone and the situation when using this phrase. There are several ways to convey the same idea. For example, "Could you provide us with more details? We'd love to have more, please. Can you elaborate further?" These variations can make your request sound more formal, polite, or specific. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of "give us more" in different contexts. Remember, the key is in understanding the situation and adjusting your tone accordingly. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.